my second video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to download Pokemon Go and how to hack it. So first of all, you need to make sure for hacking you need to root your device. For rooting, I've already made a video and it was my first video. So yeah, you can go ahead and you can pause this video and first go to my first video and see how to root. Okay, now you can go to Google or Chrome, whichever browser you use. You gotta go and type Pokémon Go APK. So when you come over here, you see the first website APK mirror. You gotta go ahead and click on that, but first you have to make sure that if other website has put in more version, yeah, as you can see there is a website which is putting 0.0. Okay, so yeah, okay, there's one more, Up to Down. Yeah, Up to Down is a good website. I prefer you to download every APK from this. In my first video also I've shown how to root. For that video I've shown you how to download it. So that app was King Root and I downloaded it from Up to Down only. So you gotta go ahead and click download button. And guys, when you it starts downloading. So when it starts downloading, you gotta go out and you can download it, and it will download on your home page or dashboard. It's Pokemon Go. So now for hacking, you gotta go on your settings and go to down. Then you gotta go on your About tablet, legal information, version information. You gotta tap your build number 7 times. Okay, as I have already done it, so it is saying no need, you are already a developer. Then you will see and another option has came in the category of system. So you got ahead and click on that. Then you gotta go to allow more locations. Click on that. Then got up there. Then you gotta go on your Play Store and type Fly GPS. Okay, so you gotta install it. And hey guys. So yeah guys, it is downloaded. Go ahead and click on Fly GPS. Then you gotta go and choose any location you want where you want to go. For example, I want to go in Canada. Go ahead, put it there, thing, a pin. Then you gotta click over here. Then click GPS service run. Click last option, Joystick location mode. Click it and go ahead. Then as you can see, then you are going to go on your Pokemon Go and you're having a joystick also. Or Pokemon Go. guys, you need to wait. Okay. Yeah guys, it takes some time. Every